So what is up everyone, welcome back to ID's Aviation. Here we have a very exciting video today. As you may see, I went to the airplane shop here in Miami recently. I got a very good model. I'll show you guys right now. Maybe some of you do know what I got, but some of you may not know. So it's kind of a little surprise for you guys. Hope all of you are really excited. This is a model that honestly I was not expecting to see in the airplane shop, but I was lucky enough to be the last one to get it. It was a great price for it considering its demand and sometimes its rarity. But yeah, this is a very good model that I was very excited to get. This is really my kind of first impressions of the model. I have not really looked at it closely before. Well, in the airplane shop, I was able to look at it, but not actually as my own. So now I get to actually look at it, and this is also my first unboxing video in the history of my channel. So also something really exciting, something I plan to do in the future whenever I get a new model. So anyways, here let's begin. So as you know, here the airplane shop bag and just everything here. Now here inside we have the beautiful as you may see there, well, now you know, the United Boeing 757-200 in the Her Art Here California livery. This is the Gemini Jets version of it. Airplane shop that does not sell NG, so it was obviously not going to be there. But the Gemini Jets version, though not as good, it's still really good from what I've seen. But still, I'm really excited to actually see it in person as my own now. So here, let's look at it. Hope all of you got really excited with this, because hope all of you enjoyed that this is the model that I got. So yeah, it's surprise here. Let me move this over there. So anyways, here we have the United Boeing 757-200 in the Her Art California livery from Gemini Jets. As you may know, this does not have an actual Gemini Jets branded box because of, you know, the whole copyright situation with it. So yeah, also some copyright issues there, as you guys may know. But anyways, here let's actually look at the model. Let me actually open it here. Alright, so here we have the model, and like even before actually opening it, just looking at it from here, you know, it looks beautiful. You know, the smell of a new model is always very good, so really excited to open it. So now we are already took it out of the box. Now the final stage is actually unboxing the model itself. As I've said before, I'm really excited for this part. So anyways, here let's begin with the unboxing of the model. First, take it out of here. There you go. And take it out of all its plastic covering. Oh man, this looks really good. It looks really good, man. Look, it's just with the smell of brand new model, and you know, the beautiful livery. It just looks fantastic. So anyways, let's not waste time and actually have a full look at it. And oh man, oh my god, it looks so good. Like I'm really impressed. Really, you know, since everyone was constantly saying oh, the NG one is better and all of it, I mean, obviously Gemini makes really good 757s, But you know, I was still kind of doubtful, but still everyone told me that this one was a really good one. Anyways, so yeah, I gotta say my first impressions of it are really good. Like right now, like I can't stop staring at it because it's really good looking. It's the detail of it is really good. Really don't know how the NG looks like in person, obviously. Supposedly better, but from what I have here, the Gemini one is fantastic. Landing gear obviously a little bit too tall because Gemini 757s are have a little bit too tall landing gear, as I've said in previous videos. But yeah, first impressions are really good. Here, let's zoom it in. The detail of it is fantastic. Just look at everything from the gear to the doors to the actual livery itself. You see the Golden Gate Bridge over here. You see the Delta tail here in the back. Here from the top, everything looks also very detailed. The wings, the stabilizers, everything looks really good. From the other side here, well, first here from the front looks really good too. Here from the side looks really good as well. Here from the bottom also looks good to me. So look, I have to say it's just looking at it from far away, as I've said in the shop, looking at it up close, well, just in the rush of, you know, deciding if I wanted to buy it or not, and it's still not in my property actually. You look at it, that was actually technically my first impression, and also when I started taking it out of the box. But now actually having it here feels really, besides being a fantastic model, feels really satisfying. Really not expecting to get this model. I was not expecting to see it in the European shop. So this is also something really good. This is also my first United model ever, basically. So hope to have it in future airport updates. I'll have you guys updated on that as well in the next video. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, and I also have to say, I'm gonna make a completely separate review on this United Boeing 757 in a future review of it. I don't know when it's gonna come out, maybe 1 week or so, less than a week hopefully from when this video is uploaded. So anyways, I hope all of you guys enjoyed this airplane shop unboxing. Now that you can see it here, the beautiful United 757 Her Art California. Fantastic model. If you can, get this one because it's really good. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.